In the next few minutes we are going to recreate this PWA website from scratch. Let's see what we are going to have here. A transparent header, hero pane with headings, and some special fonts. A slider. Add to home screen button, and social media icons with links, address and map location. We also have a menu page, with some special fonts, and about page. Let's create a new Buildish app and start from there. This is the default Buildish app template. We need to change it to look like this template. Let's start with the header. Let's remove the app name from all pages. We can make changes on app level, or page level. Let's find the app setting, brand.name.show. The header has two colors, the primary header color for the whole header, and secondary color for the navigation bar. On page level, let's find the setting primary background. Same way, let's find the setting, secondary background. To make the page header transparent, look for the setting, header.transparent. Let's edit the upfold view. It is shifted up since we set the header transparent. Repositioning headings, drag and drop. Edit content using setting, body.text. Let's add the phone call to action heading. Let's make this card transparent. Look for the setting, is transparent. To make this card text white, we can either set the font color from editor, or set the card color to a dark color. Let's change the background image for the upfold view. Look for the setting, background image. Let's also make this heading transparent. As we did earlier, set the card color to dark to show text in white. We can change the visibility of the background image by changing the overlay amount. Let's make it more visible. Let's look for the setting BG overlay. Let's customize the video view. To change the YouTube video URL, look for the setting, URL. To change the video view text, look for the setting, label. Let's change the theme to yellow. Look for the setting, theme. We need to convert these three cards pane to a slider. From editor, use table to format content. To edit and preview each card, let's set the parent views holder layout to column. To change views holder layout, find the setting, children.layout. We don't have to save this setting. To remove the card title, find the setting, title.show. Let's do the same with the other card slides. Finally, let's set the views holder layout to slider. Find the setting, children.layout. To make the slider auto scroll, find the setting, auto slide. Now our slider is ready. Next, let's create this heading with special font. First we need to place this heading content for the views holder body, using the same setting, body.text. We can use the table to arrange our heading between the two images. We need to center the body content of the views holder. Find the setting, body.center. Now we need to apply this font to our heading. This font is called Yellowtail. And it is not installed by default. We need to install the extension for this font. From Buildish, let's add extension to our app. Let's refresh the app to make sure the new font is recognized. For fonts we also need to hit Ctrl plus F5 to clear cache. Now we should be able to apply the new Yellowtail font to our heading. Another way to apply the font to the whole view is through the setting, body.font.type. When the slider slides have different heights, they may cause the page to move up and down. To solve this problem, we need to set minimum and maximum height settings for the slider views holder to a fixed value, in this case 450 pixels. Next, let's create the social icons and links view. We need to create the view on the same level of the view. Add to home screen, under the views holder, app actions. So, let's add a new subview to app actions views holder. These social icons are actually a special font. Social icons font. We need to install this font extension to our app and use it. Let's refresh the app and hit Ctrl plus F5 to clear cache to be able to use the new font. Now we can use this font from editor to add social icons. Let's add links to our social media accounts. Let's also add card title. Next, let's edit our contact information. Let's set out map location. Look for the setting, location. Editing copyrights information. Comparing the two templates, we can notice that the primary heading font size should be bigger. Let's increase this heading font size. Look for the setting body.font.size. Let's add the decorating image under the main heading. We simply need to add a new card view to the upfold view. Add the image to it, and make it transparent. To change the page layout to full width, look for the page setting, layout.width. To change the page font, look for the page setting, app.font.type. Let's create the menu page. From App menu, click on Create Page. Enter the new page details. It's important to select Public Website as parent page. We need to set the settings for the new menu page. After that, we will save these settings as default settings, so it will be automatically set for the next new pages. Settings are almost the same settings as the home page, except that the header is not transparent. To set the default page font, look for the setting, app.font.type, search and select font from the list. To set the default font size, look for the page setting, app.font.size. To save the app settings as default, for the next created pages, look for the page setting, is default. Let's add content to the new page. Simply add new sub-view to the page body view. Editing the page content. For simplicity, I will copy the content from the original template. Everything looks all right, except a special font is missing. The ornaments font. We need to install this font extension to our app. Let's install the ornaments font extension. After refreshing the app and hitting Ctrl plus F5, our ornaments shapes should appear. Let's add the About page in the same way. It should get the default settings automatically. Same as we did with the menu page. We add a card sub-view to the body view, and add our content to it. Reviewing our work in a private window. We may need to remove the login page from the menu. From Design Mode, open Edit Page, disable the Show in menu, and click Save. We will need to refresh the app to see the changes. We are done. Let's review the app and compare it with the template.